Hello and welcome to Lakeside Parkway. I know it's been a while since the last update, so here's a major layout update, let's call it. So we've got quite a new rolling stock. We've updated a few areas, we've got a few things to update you on, so let's start. So first of all, I'll start with what's going in the frame now. So these RBA and VGA wagons. So basically with these, what my plan is to have a parcel service running around Lakeside Parkway. So basically from London, for like Amazon and stuff like that. So yeah, it's not typically prototypical nowadays, but code one and everything. Yeah, so that's first major thing. Next thing is, as you can see behind here, we have baseboards. Not baseboards, like scenery boards at the back now. So it just gives a good shot. Painted on blue, just to make it look sky coloured. But yeah, it really works. So we've done, I'll zoom out, we've done this area here. Not quite finished yet, I need to touch up there with a bit of paint. And we've done this area here. So yeah, as you can see from a low angle, makes it a little bit better. It works quite well. Just looks like sky behind. So let's go on to the rolling stock. So first of all is this 66 that I've repainted. So it's a Batman Class 66, and as you can see, repainted into the GB Ralph Railway. I believe the day after finishing painting this, Hornby released their one, but talking 66s, this is another new one. So I went to Stackpole Barn and got this. It's a 66. What I didn't know at the time was Hornby's actually updated their 66s, so it's actually a lot better. And there's a chip in there, there's a special chip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plan on doing a video on that to show you all how the chip works, the loco, the differences between that and the old 66. I'm planning a new big 66 video, but that will be when the Acura scale one come out. Talking of Acura scale, this is the next to arrival, the Caledonian Sleeper 92. I know I didn't have much success in the last 92, which is still the other side of the layout, but yeah, I had the coaches, so I had to get it. Yeah, so as you can probably see then, I use Hornby's Mark 3s and Mark 2s because I just can't justify the price of the Acura Scale Mark 5 if I could even get them. So yeah, but I think they do for what I need. And I noticed Hornby are announced, I've actually just today, I need to message Tony Train, a new batch of Mark 2s to go with it. So at the minute it's, I think it's 7 coaches, so that will take it up to 9, so it should be a good length train by then. What else is new is this bubble car in Coca-Cola livery. As you can see, I like anything Coca-Cola, so yeah, just a nice little addition to the layout. Found an old chip, and it just worked. Brilliant, yeah. So, a few other things I've been doing, as you can probably see on these VGAs, the couplings. So, I've been on a bit of a sprinting spree up West Hill for their Hunter Elite couplings, and slowly working through the fleet and going to update everything to them because they're just so much better, so much easier. Yeah, Chris is a brilliant chap from West Hill, like I say, so I want to support him. As you can see, I'll fit them here. I'm using extra long ones on these just to give me the clearance on the tight curves, but I reckon I can get away with a lot shorter than this. But yeah, what's next? So next around the layout is we've got a few new vehicles. So something my dad had when I was a kid was a Maestro, worst car ever made. Audi TT, I think a few new vans and stuff like that. Next is new lighting. So as some of you remember, I've got lighting installed above here. If I turn off the big lights, as you can see, it just makes the layout look a bit more, what's the word, a bit more realistic. So put them on daytime lighting, so just adds a bit of realism. So I had that. Can't go that way around because that's for another video, so make sure you subscribe for that. I've got a few new videos coming out, so keep an eye out on them. So yeah, I've added lights on this side now, so they are really good actually. They do make a massive, almost like a sneak of the new area then. Do make a massive difference to the layout. So what you can do, if I've got the right remote, let me show you on this side here. So you can dim it down. So you can dim it down and put it up, change it from cool white to warm white, and you make it look really realistic. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. Sorry it's a bit all over the place, but yeah, I have quite a lot to update you on. Make sure you say subscribe for the next few videos, because there's quite a lot coming out in the next month. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.